just wanted to share this tip with you. It's sort of relevant to housekeeping and file management and so on and so forth. So I've had an inquiry in from somebody. I've downloaded the zip file from Dropbox, and it's here on my desktop. It's a zip folder. So normally I would extract all. And I come across this error. And the reason I'm getting this error is that some of the files inside the zip file have got really, really long file names. And when those are appended to the path where Windows was intending to store all the extracted files, it just becomes too long for Windows to handle, because there's a limit on characters. I think it's 256 or something like that. So if I skip, it'll just go on and I'll just keep encountering that problem. So cancel that. So if you notice, I managed to partially extract some of the files. Now if I go into that folder, you'll see I've got 1, 2, 3, and there's half a dozen files or so in there, but that's not the full archive extracted. So you could quite easily miss some important information if you're not aware of that. Solution to that would be, what I do is I go in, I extract that all. Now when I'm prompted by Windows to set a path name to extract the file to, if I just shorten that Cobham Services Hotel and I just put in 1, I've actually shortened that 256 characters. So it's going to be C/users/RobGibson/desktop/1/ whatever the folders in that file are going to extract as. So let me go ahead and do that. And you see now I'm not getting the error. You may also get folders within the zip file that are also zipped that have really long names. You just repeat the process. Shorten the file names by saving them. Don't have to save it in desktop. Save it to a folder in my documents and just call that 1/1. As long as you shorten that file name, that's all that matters. But I just want to quickly show you the difference between a successful extraction and the original extraction. So that's the folder I called 1. You notice the difference of all the information is now in there, whereas previously in this folder only some of it got extracted. Now if I hadn't have been paying attention, I'd be missing and I'd be ringing up the surveyor saying you've only sent me after inquiry, blah blah blah. I hope that helps. It's just one of those little niggles you come across with file management. Again, I hope that helps you, and if you've got any questions, just post them and I'll do my best to help you.